Okay, we have a Victor gap bed engine lathe with 22-inch swing, 31 in the gap by 60 in centers. It's a model 2260E, serial number 9802129. I believe the machine is new in the 2000s. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has inch and metric threading. Right now we're running at 15 RPM. It goes from 15 up to 1500. It has a D18 CAMLOCK spindle with 3 1/4 inch hole. That's forward and reverse. You have a foot brake. You have a follow rest and a steady rest. You have a Mitutoyo 2-axis digital readout. Right now there's a 3-jaw chuck on it, but we also do have a 4-jaw chuck. It's 15 horsepower. It's a higher RPM. You heard the soft start also. Forward and reverse. So we also have a 4-jaw chuck and a faceplate. There's a coolant system, movable chip pan. Machine is nice and smooth. We're running the cross feed. You can see it on the digital readout. Longitudinal feed. And that's threading. Okay. That's your tailstock. There's a 2-speed tailstock, number 5 Morse taper. All right. Hard in bed. Hey, thank you for watching our video.